Look. It's here. It's finally here. This is going to be my new best... Oh, man, they put tape over it. This is going to be my new best friend. I am doing this one-handed, so you'll have to excuse the improper videoing. So, yeah. If I'd have known they were going to tape it like that, I would have probably just grabbed a pair of scissors before getting this. Let's see if I can get... Nope, you're not going anywhere. Alright, check it out. It's even got game card slots. Look. Ooh. This is gonna be awesome. I like my Mythic Zin grip. It's currently sitting in it. My Switch one is currently sitting in the case over there. So let's check this one out. I definitely recommend Satisfye. I've never had a problem with them. And when they made a mistake with my Switch one grip, they only sent me the grip. They didn't send me the carry case. Because apparently they got someone in packing got the orders mixed up. Nivea second best. That's what that says. A little bit difficult to read though. They actually returned the order. They refunded the order. Still sent the grip, but also sent the case and the and a Zen grip Joy-Con holder. So for like if you want to play tabletop or whatever. Come on. Open up. I had to set my phone down here for a second. Oh no, I didn't want you to rip. Look at this. It feels nice too. Look. Ooh, no, come back here. Again, doing this one-handed, so pardon the poor video quality. It is soft as all heck. It is so nice. Oddly enough, the Switch 1 case fits the Switch 2 perfectly, but it probably wouldn't fit it if I had to have a grip too. So, let's test out the grip. But for video's sake, oh, it slides in nice. Oh, yes. That is so much better. Look at this. It looks good, too. Look at this. Can still use the stand if I want. Come on, focus video. Focus. Thank you. Yeah, my screen needs cleaned. Look at that. It sits in there nice and easy. And plop. Yes. I definitely recommend Satisfye. Their customer service is good. The product is good. And it just plain looks cool. And it's comfortable. I I'm really happy with this. And I'm also going to have to edit this video because I accidentally did a face reveal and no one wants to see my ugly face. So, yeah. So, look at this. I'm really happy and excited, and I'm keeping the box just in case. Except that it won't close. But you know what? There's something I never understand with packaging. Why does it come in a huge ass bag that only takes up half space? Why? I mean, it's ridiculous. Oh, and that's okay. When I got new controllers for my Switch 1, the box is half or twice the size of the controllers. You know the shipping box it comes in? Yeah. Double the size of this box. That box right there. You could have fit a whole nother pack of controllers in it. And it didn't even come with bubble wrapping in it to prevent damage. So I'm lucky and surprised that the controllers worked. So, anyway, that's the end of that. And look how nice it's hefty too. You use this for a workout. 20 lifts each arm every day. I think I'd be good. But it's really cool. So I'm going to be switching games over to this. And extra games can go in here. Or microfiber cloth. It is really soft. So that's our unboxing video for the Satisfye Zen Grip 2. And it suits it so perfectly. Hold on, I want to do a size comparison here. Ugh. Give me a moment. Let's do a size comparison. Almost the same length, but the width. Holy crap, the width is definitely bigger. Definitely recommend Satisfye. So I'm gonna go and I'm going to test out the play and grip, and I will see you all later. Have a great day. Be safe. Love you guys. Bye.